Literacy Skills Nursery. Let's begin the class. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is birds. As you can see in the slide, there are two birds. The first one is crow and the second one is eagle. Parrot, cock, owl, pigeon, peacock. Some fly and some do not. कुछ बर्ड्स ऐसी होती है जो फ्लाई करती है, बट कुछ बर्ड्स ऐसी होती है जो फ्लाई नहीं करती है. Some birds that can fly. अब जिस पे ग्रीन टिक लग रहा है, that birds can fly. और जिस पे क्रॉस मार्क है, that bird cannot fly. As you can see in the slide, crow can fly, but penguin cannot fly. Ostrich cannot fly. Even duck also cannot fly. Owl can fly and parrot also fly. Now let's see some garden mates. As you can see in the slide, this is a sparrow. And what is this? This is a butterfly. This is a ladybug and this is a squirrel. Now, crawling animals. जो animals crawl कर सकते हैं, that are crawling animals. First is snake. Second is caterpillar. The next is centipede. And the last one is snail. Thank you, dear groomies, for attending this class.